Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's start most important question related to all competitive exams. Question 1. Which country recently became the newest member of BRICS in 2024? Option A. Argentina. Option B. Saudi Arabia. Option C. UAE. Option D. Both B and C.
5, 4,
3.
2, 1.
And the correct answer is option D, both B and C. Question 2. Who was re-elected as the United Nations Secretary General for a second term? Option A. Antonio Guterres. Option B. Ban Ki-moon. Option C. Tedros Adhanom. Option D. Kristalina Georgieva.
5,
4, 3.
2, 1.
And the correct answer is option A. Antonio Guterres.
Question 3. Which state in India topped the Niti Aayog's Health Index for 2023? Option A. Kerala. Option B. Tamil Nadu. Option C. Punjab. Option D. Maharashtra. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is option A, Kerala. वीडियोस यूजफुल लग रहा है तो सब्सक्राइब भी करें। Question 4. India recently signed a free trade agreement (FTA) with which country in 2024? Option A. Australia. Option B. UK. Option C. Japan. Option D. United States of America. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is option B. UK. Question 5. What is the name of India's latest satellite launched in January 2025? Option A. Aditya L2. Option B. Chandrayaan 4. Option C. GSAT 24. Option D. NVA 01. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment your answer. Only for genius. अगर वीडियोस अच्छा लगे तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इसी तरह की वीडियोस और देखने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें और वीडियोस को लाइक करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।